Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change or customize the on-screen button layout in CarX Street. First of all, launch open the CarX Street game on your device and make sure that you're inside this lobby screen. Go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button, and once you're inside this menu, go to controls at the top. Once you're inside the control setting, go ahead and look for the button layout button and click on set right next to it. Now you can move the button layouts and place it in your desired area. Tap and hold the button icon and drag it to your desired area, and once you are done, you can head back to the lobby screen. Now click on the save button in the pop-up to save your changes, and there you go. That is how you can easily change your button layouts in the CarX Street game so that you can customize the on-screen button according to your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.